Today is the H. Upman 1844. This is by master blender A.J. Fernandez. It originates in Nicaragua. The wrapper is Ecuador, Sumatra. The filler is a Crillo 91 filler with a Piloto Cubano. The binder is a Corpjo 99. And we're looking at today a Toro, which is a 6.0 by 54. A.J. Fernandez is a master blender who is responsible for cigars like the New World, the Monte Cristo, and Romeo and Julieta. But I'll let Billy tell you about it. Yes, and thank you for that, Billy. I really appreciate that. Yeah, this we're doing the H. Upman 1844 by A.J. Fernandez. And if you know anything about A.J. Fernandez, you know that the guy's a master blender. And he is responsible for New World, Monte Cristo, Romeo and Julieta, Punch, Diesel cigars. It's, you know, it's on. It goes on and on and on and on and on. Take a look at that. Nice brown color. This is from Nicaragua. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful cigar. Can't say enough about it. Oh, love that. It has almost a chocolate cocoa smell to it. I love that. And according to Cigars International, out of 177 people that purchased this, they gave it an average of 4.5 stars. And that breaks down as follows. We've got 125 people gave it 5 stars. We have 41 people gave it 4 stars. We have 10 people that gave it 3 stars. And then there's the knucklehead that's always in there that gives it 1 star. I wonder if that's the same person that gives everything 1 star. Does he just smoke everything and go, I'll just give it 1 star, I'll just give it 1 star, I'll just give it 1 star? You know, if that's the case, if you keep giving cigars 1 star, smoke cigarettes. Do something else. You know, if you're not enjoying yourself. I'm sorry. I get off my soapbox now. And scene. We're done. Okay. Like I said, with this one, I'm getting a lot of cocoa. It's beautiful cocoa. Let's cut it up and see. We'll do it a cold draw. Now, what I've been doing lately is when I've been smoking, you know, usually I'd use the guillotine cutter, which is this. But I've been using the hole punch for some reason. I don't know. I'm in the hole punching right now. But for the cold draw, we're just going to go ahead and cut that sucker with the guillotine cutter. Oh, that is really a cocoa. Sorry. Sorry. That is cocoa all the way. Cocoa, a little bit of allspice, not a lot. It's primarily cocoa, not the really sweet cocoa, but just the powdered cocoa. Semi-sweet, I guess you'd say. Yeah, that is delicious. That is a delicious cold draw cigar. Sorry. Okay, let's light it up. Oh, sorry. Okay. It's been a long day. Let's go ahead and light this up. As always, we're going to toast the foot. Now, generally, some people, you know, they say it's not really a set way to light a cigar, but then you get into a routine because you want to relax. You want to get your mindset saying that you're about to relax, you're about to have a good cigar. So you get into a routine. So we toast the foot, toast not roast. Notice how far I am from that, and I am moving the flame around a little bit. When you blow on it, you should see red. If not, toast a little bit more, but this is red. And me, I always like to finish off with a match. That's just me. Okay, let's get a little bit of this in us. Okay, I'm still getting the cocoa. I'm getting a bit of a pepper, but it's definitely staying with that cocoa sweet type of allspice. I tell you what, that is a very smooth draw. It's a very good smoke, good light, nice ash, burning pretty good. It's staying with the cocoa. I'm getting the allspice. It's getting a little, I wouldn't say allspice, it's getting a little bit more spicy, where it's a little bit more peppery, but not a black pepper, maybe a white pepper. Tell you what, I'm gonna have some fun smoking this. I'll come back with a drink suggestion. If you can think of something, put it down in the comments right now, and I'll meet you back here in about, I'll do about a third, about there, okay? Come back. And welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, okay? This is what I got. I was enjoying it so much, it's almost forgot to come back. I'm taking the band off. I don't know if you guys do it or not, but I generally keep all my bands, cigar bands. Okay, what notes did I get on this? Well, I'll tell you. Thanks for asking. It still had the cocoa, but it was more of a light, spicy type of flavor. It wasn't like a pepper, more like a subtle jalapeno, if that's a thing. It was slightly pepperish, not a lot, but I'll tell you one thing, this is a smooth, well, even tasting cigar. AJ Fernandez is a genius. That's why he's a master blender and I'm not. Burned evenly. Tasted great. No canoeing. This I would give 4.5 stars. And I don't understand why anybody would give this 1 star. You gotta have a lot of hate in your heart, or you just don't like that brand of cigar. Generally a medium full is what I like. Maduros, things like that. That's my wheelhouse. That's the first thing I started with, was a full Maduro cigar. So I thought, well, what do I want to drink with that? And I had a couple of selections, but this one really stuck out, and I think will go great with it. Again, this is just my opinion. If you have anything different, please leave it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Maker's Mark. Great whiskey. Great blend. Fantastic. Always consistent. Never had a bad bottle of Maker's Mark. As usual, if you know anything about this channel, anything, always say buy the gift pack, because you get extra things in it. For example, with this Maker's Mark, I've got 2 of these glasses. Yes, that's a Christmas glass. It's always Christmas as far as I'm concerned, so I'm using it. For the same price of the just getting a bottle, you're able to get maybe a couple of commemorative glasses, some coasters, some extra whiskey sometimes. So you always get something extra for the same price. And I think that's a good bargain, no matter who you are or what you are. It's always nice to get something free. The smell, the aroma, oh. If you've never had Maker's Mark, I suggest you get a bottle. You can always get a small bottle. Just try it out. I generally like to, I don't have the special cigar glass, but my nose works just fine. That is a great aroma. This is to you. This is all my subscribers, to all the people out there who are watching. Blessings upon you and your family, always, and always positive news. Oh, if you had Maker's Mark, you know why I went, oh. You know exactly why I went, oh. Yeah, we're gonna put them together. Little Maker's Mark. Oh, yes. Sweet type of caramely taste. It's smooth, just like the cigar. Cigar started out with the cocoa notes, went to a little bit of spice, a little heat on it. Perfect, perfect. And with that, I'm gonna say goodbye to you. I'm always, as usually, I'm gonna thank you for watching and subscribing to my channel. If you are subscribed, if you're not, there are 2 things you have to do. Karate chop that subscription, and kung fu the notification bell, so you'll be alerted the next time I do a video. And with that, I'm going to sign off, and I always say as usual, thank you for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. This is to you, to everything positive going on in your life as of right now. Shake off the haters, ignore the trolls. Keep doing what makes you great. This is Billy the All-Star saying, as usual, if you cannot be nice for the sake of all of us, please be cool. I'll see you in the next video.